So many missed messages. I can't keep up.
Most business owners are losing over $23,000 a month. Not from bad products, not from bad marketing, from bad systems. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where your money is going and how to get it back. Here's the crazy part. You don't need more leads. You need one system that catches every lead, responds instantly, follows up automatically, and shows you exactly who's ready to buy.
I can't keep up with all this.
Sound familiar? That's what I call the hidden business tax. Nobody likes to talk about it, but every day, business owners pay for it. Not with money, with lost opportunities, with wasted time, with stress, and with revenue that quietly slips away. If I gave you 100 leads today, a month, 2 months from now, could you then tell me exactly where every single one of them is in your sales process? Most business owners can't. And it's not because they're bad at business, but because their systems aren't built for clarity. You see, most businesses start simple. A spreadsheet, an email account, a calendar, maybe a scheduling app. And there's nothing wrong with that. But then other tools get added, and then another, and another. Now you're logging into 6 different dashboards every day, copying information from one system into another, trying to keep everything synchronized.
Yet that's exactly how many businesses are operating every day. And then they wonder why it feels so much harder than it should. Now, here's where things get interesting. What if every form of communication you have with your leads, every email, every social media message and comment, every phone call recorded, and every text message sent and received lived inside a contact's record automatically? That means no more hunting through old emails, no more fishing through notes and social media messages. All your appointments in one place, one login, one dashboard to rule them all. That's what Go Highlevel instantly provides you with. Using Go Highlevel gives you all the tools you'll ever need to generate new leads, automate follow-up, build marketing campaigns, and manage your social media posts. Stop hunting, stop guessing, and start scaling your business to new heights with Go Highlevel. Right now, I've put together a free trial built specifically for small business owners who are done watching leads walk out the door. Plus, we're also giving you full access to all of our AI tools all summer long. Visit realleadsfinder.com now. It takes just 60 seconds to get started. The leads are already showing up. The only question is, how many more are you willing to let disappear?